Welcome to the funeral program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. Today we will be featuring our funeral program paper in a centerfold or bifold traditional presentation. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making useful and helpful content to assist you during a time of loss. We are never prepared to lose a loved one, but gathering knowledge before it happens can be helpful in your funeral planning. Using a pre-printed and pre-designed funeral program paper can be a cost-effective option for those who want to conserve ink and resources. Our funeral program paper is a letter-size bifold presentation that you can print on front and back. There is already a colorful design pre-printed on the cover. Our funeral program paper is made to use on any color or laser home printer to produce an easy printed memorial. You can choose to do it yourself, or we can also enter the information and ship your paper completely finished if desired. Using this type of pre-printed paper provides you a funeral program that is colorful, but without having the additional cost of design and color printing. With all of our funeral paper orders, you will receive an accompanying template that you can use to enter your information, which perfectly aligns with the paper. You will receive this template immediately after purchase, so you can begin placing your information while waiting for your funeral paper to arrive. The funeral paper folds directly in the center and provides 3 sides for you to personalize. Because we already have the front design printed and in place, you can enter text and photos on any of the other pages and tailor it to your specific service. We offer many wonderful backgrounds to choose from, and other funeral paper styles which can be ordered in packs of 25. View our traditional funeral programs and other options today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.